Install bearing isolator into the bearing carrier using a press. Verify it is fully seated. Insert shaft assembly with bearings into the bearing carrier. Be sure to lubricate shaft with lubricant provided by isolator manufacturer. The thrust bearing should seat inside the carrier. Secure together using snap ring into the groove on the inside of the bearing carrier. Thread locking bolts into bearing carrier. Install the bearing isolator into the frame using a press. Ensure that the oil return hole slot is located at the 6 o'clock position, allowing oil to drain from the isolator. Verify it is fully seated. Spread anti-seize onto the fine threads of the bearing carrier. Install the 2 bearing carrier O-rings in the grooves on the bearing carrier. Lubricate generously with the same oil to be used for the bearings. Recommended ISO viscosity grade 32 for standard installations. Lubricate the shaft and the inboard bearing isolator with lubricant provided by the isolator manufacturer. Insert the bearing carrier assembly into the frame, being sure to align the radial bearing into the frame. And take care so that the 2 O-rings are not damaged. Assemble together by tightening the bearing carrier together with the frame. The assembly should go together by hand, but tools may aid in ease of assembly. Tighten bearing carrier until it bottoms inside the frame. Install sight glass using thread tape or thread sealant. Next, install oil fill plug finger tight only for the moment, as it will need to be removed to add oil before operation.